we'll begin to explore the idea of arithmetic sequence. Now, first of all, a sequence is a list of numbers. That's all. When you move on to the idea of arithmetic sequence, there's a little bit more to it than just any old list of numbers. There is a specific pattern that the numbers follow. Let's take as an example A. 5, 9, 13, 17. If you look at this list of numbers and give it a little bit of thought, you notice that each time you are adding 4 to the current number to produce the next number. So 9 plus 4 is 13. And 13 plus 4 is 17. This is an arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence is a list of numbers where each of the terms has a specific amount added to produce the next term. Now let's finish by producing the last three terms. Quite easy. 17 plus 4, 21, 21 plus 4, 25, and 25 plus 4, 29. Now, notice that if you took any two of these terms, let's say 21 and 17, subtracted the later term minus the earlier term, that would give you specifically the number 4, the constant which is added each time. That is called the common difference. So for this list of numbers, the arithmetic sequence 5, 9, 13, 17, 21, etc., the common difference is equal to 4. And if you know the common difference, it's easy to generate the rest of the numbers. Now let's move on to B. B states blank, blank, 28, 25, 22, blank. Now, using that same idea as previously, if you take two adjacent terms, take the later term, in this case 25, subtract the earlier term 28, this time we get -3. And that's interesting. Oh, I get it. What we're doing each time is adding -3, or you could think of it as subtracting 3. So 25 plus -3 is 22. So the next term would be 19, because 22 plus -3 is 19. So moving to the right, you're subtracting 3. If you move to the left, you would add 3. So 31 and 34. Okay, now moving on to C, the list, the sequence is blank, 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 41, blank, 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 69. Now in the last problem, the common difference was -3. In this problem, it's a little bit harder. We'd be adding the common difference once to get that first blank in the gap between 41 and 69, adding it 2 times, 3 times, we'd be adding the common difference 4 times to get to 69. So we can proceed by figuring out the common difference. 41, adding D once, adding D twice, adding D 3 times, adding D 4 times, 41 plus 4D equals 69. So 4D equals 69 minus 41. 4D equals 28. D equals 7. Now that we know that, we can go back and fill in all of the gaps, all of the terms. 41 plus 7 is 48. 48 plus 7 is 55. 55 plus 7 is 52. And that makes sense because 52 plus 7 is 69. Now working backwards, if we're moving to the right, we'd have to add 7 each time, subtract 7 going to the left. So that would be 34, 27, 20. And you can run through 20 plus 7, 27, 27 plus 7, 34, etc., etc. This gives all of the terms in the arithmetic sequence.